First come no be who they win race, no be who win.
Guys, hold up, no it's smart. I'll let you guys see the rest of this clip and hear everything Burna Boy actually said. Guys, we all know the ongoing trend between Burna Boy and DAVIDO. When DAVIDO say something on an interview, he categorized Burna Boy to Rema and said Burna Boy is an upcoming cat. Right now, Burna Boy don't come out reply. Though this is an old video, but fans has brought this video out and said Burna Boy has prepared this video in response because you know that DAVIDO is actually going to say something like that. And right now, Burna Boy don't give a response. Let's hear what Burna Boy said. Then share your thoughts on what you guys think on what DAVIDO said, because for DAVIDO to call Burna Boy an upcoming cat, I think that's not really right. I think categorize Burna Boy to Ashake, Miyoko, Rema, and other smaller artists which Burna Boy is bigger than. What the rest of this clip and sharing your thoughts on what you guys think. And please don't forget to subscribe for more updates because probably we know that more updates is going to come on this. Share your thoughts on what you guys think and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
First come no be who they win race, no be who win. Let's get that clear. Combined. When I said combined, I meant that there was no beat around bush. Everybody did inside. Hell no. Nobody is making better than me. Nobody. No, that then they ask, I they answer them.